Hello everyone. So one more example based on abstract class and abstract method with some changes obviously. So I think this basic part now you all know like what is this all these things. So we will directly focus on the derived class. So what modification I've done compared to previous video that in that it was like only abstract class and its derived class, but we have one more derived class. So suppose that if you forgot to write implementation of this in this derived class, okay, then obviously we are getting the error. But suppose if you have one more derived class which is derived from this class, and if you are writing implementation of this, then obviously you will not get any error. It is possible. So let's check the output of this. See, welcome to bank, balance and interest. We are not getting any error because at the end we have implemented this method in any derived class, any one at least. That's why we are not getting any error. So that is all about abstract class and abstract methods. And before I end this video, I would like to tell you one more thing, that this is my abstract class. It has abstract method as well as normal method with implementation. Okay, so always remember one thing, this is nothing but concrete method. Okay, what is the meaning of concrete? Which has implementation along with the name. Because in formal interface, or you can say that interface, in my next video, that time we will talk about this word concrete and everything. Okay, so thank you everyone.